Welcome to this tutorial on Introduction to Springs in SolidWorks Motion Study. Today, we'll explore both linear and torsional springs in your motion analyses. Springs are essential in mechanical systems. SolidWorks Motion Study provides tools for simulating both linear and torsional spring dynamics. Let's start by opening the Spring Property Manager. This is where you define your spring's characteristics. SolidWorks offers two types of springs, linear and torsional. Linear springs work along a straight line, while torsional springs operate around a pivot, providing rotational force. For each type, set parameters like spring constant, free length or angle, and damping. These settings are crucial for accurate simulation. With our springs defined, we'll apply them in a motion study. Notice the difference in how linear and torsional springs influence the component's motion. After running the simulation, analyze the results. Observe the distinct effects of linear and torsional springs on the system's dynamics.